When someone snores during sleep, most people assume it's just a normal part of deep sleep. But snoring is actually a sign of a small problem in your airway, usually caused by two things: relaxed muscles and a narrowed airway. As you enter deep sleep, muscles in the soft palate, tongue, and throat begin to relax. Then, if they relax too much, they partially block the airway, causing surrounding tissues to vibrate more. At the same time, anything that narrows the airway increases airflow speed, making the vibration louder. As air is forced through this tighter space, turbulence forms and intensifies the vibration, especially when lying on your back, producing the familiar snoring sound.